Hey everyone, are you on the hunt for the ultimate mid-range 5G smartphone? If so, you've got to stop and listen up, because today, we're talking about Samsung's new budget king, that's set to shake things up. It's rumored to pack a massive 200 megapixel camera, and a cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor all at an incredible price. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the new Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime 5G, a phone that's shaping up to be the ultimate combo of performance, camera, and battery life. If you're thinking of getting a new phone, you'll want to stick around for this video, because we're going to break down all its leaked features, price, and the launch date. So let's start. Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime, leaked features. Display. First up, let's talk about the display. The Galaxy J17 Prime is rumored to feature a massive 6.85-inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display. But it's not just big, it's incredibly smooth. With a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a 390 Hz touch sampling rate, your gaming and scrolling experience will feel as smooth as butter. Plus, your display will be protected by durable Corning Gorilla Glass 7, and it will have an in-display fingerprint sensor for easy, secure unlocking. Camera setup. If you love photography, this phone will not disappoint. The back is said to sport a powerful 200 megapixel main camera, with OIS support. This means your photos and videos will be clear and shake-free, no matter what. It will also come with 3 other lenses, a 50 megapixel, a 12 megapixel, and a 5 megapixel lens, perfect for every kind of shot you want to take. And for all you selfie lovers, you'll get a stunning 32 megapixel front camera. Performance. This phone is rumored to be powered by the latest and most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a chip designed to handle multitasking and high-end gaming with ease. And get this, it's expected to come with Android 16, so you'll have the most up-to-date operating system right out of the box. Battery backup. Forget about battery anxiety. The Galaxy J17 Prime is said to pack a massive 6700 mAh battery that should easily last you all day on a single charge. It also features stereo speakers and a Type-C charging port. Price and launch date. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the price. The Samsung Galaxy J17 Prime 5G is expected to be priced around $800. Given all these impressive features, that's a pretty sweet deal. And for the launch date, there's been no official word on the launch date just yet.